Hey everyone, Bob the Guy here. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I made some custom play buttons for the one and the only Jack Massey Welsh, who made a video on them, and that's why I have all these subscribers, and it's super cool. Here we go. So first of all, I had to 3D print the play buttons so I knew what size they were going to be. Then, it was time to make them look good. After that came the boxes. Then, the boxes were painted black. Printed out some letters and some package by Rick cards. Wrapped it all up in some bubble wrap, and then I took it to the post office. And then he made a video, and I was super stoked. I'm so glad he enjoyed them. And thank you to all the new subscribers, all the people who have found my channel. I hope you stick around to see what's coming.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe
To Bob the Guy, and maybe Jack, I don't know.
for more weekly content like this. I'll see you later.
Thanks for watching, and have a great day.